honey. You can't go. No, you got to stay up there for a while because this doesn't seem like you're cold enough.
Good, because it's beautiful outside.
It is beautiful. So you know Michaela.
I do.
I love Michaela. You give her a big hug for me. This is Stacy from the Young Professionals.
Woo!
This is Stacy's first year plunging. Raised $550 for her first year. Apparently lost some sort of competition amongst the Young Professionals. Therefore, she has to plunge. All right. Famous last words for Miss Stacy are YP.
Why not?
No, everyone.
Okay. One,
You got it.
2, 3.
That was perfect. Thank you for sharing the emotions of Polar Plunge.
Oh my God!
I should get an award for the most emotional plunge.